Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Like Couponer. So today I'm here with some Rite Aid awesomeness and Walmart action. Not a lot at Walmart, but it's a really good deal. Like, if it's worth going in there and doing. This is just like a really, really good deal. And people at my store are hitting it up hard on the Nexus. I'm going to do Rite Aid first because Rite Aid was just awesome today. Yeah, really awesome. So first up, the Tums. They are $3.99 for the sugar-free Tums. There is a $2 off CRT that prints on your receipt. I bought all these things first, and then this printed out for me. So I went back and did it again. It's $3.99. I had $2 off CRT, and there is a 75-cent printable. So you pay $1.24, and then you get back $1 in bonus cash. So 24 cents for some Tums, and that's insane. Tums are so expensive. So you can get them for 24 cents. That's an awesome deal. Shout out to Amy Stotts and Michelle's Frugal Living on this. Amy told me about it, and then she told me Michelle had a video, so I went and checked out that. $4.99 for the Act. So I know Michelle's store, I think they were a little bit more than this, but at my store they were $4.99, buy one get one half off. So I picked up an Act Adult and an Act Kids. This is today only. It's going to end today, so you got to get out there and get it today. So $4.99 to $4.49. Had $1 off coupons for each that came in Sunday's Smart Source. There's a $1 savings star on each, and there's a $1 checkout 51 on each, and you get back $3 in bonus cash. So it winds up being a $1 moneymaker for the two of them, which is a really, really good deal for mouthwash. And I don't ever get deals on Act. And my dentist, he said Act is like one of the best ones. So there we go. Okay, the all detergent, not the best. It's $2.99. I had a $1 off coupon, and there's a $1 savings starts at 99 cents. But this sells really good at stockpile sales. People always want the detergent, so yeah, I'll sell it. So I might as well pick it up. And 99 cents, just a really good price in general. The St. Ives and Noxzema. They are on there. This is the same deal. It has a limit of 2 bonus cash. The St. Ives, Noxzema, Simple, Pond's, there was a bunch of stuff. It's buy one, get one free, and buy 2 and get $2 in bonus cash back. So anyways, these are $4.99. I had a $1.50 off coupon for this one, paper coupon. This one I got for $0. Now, Rite Aid's policy says you cannot use a paper coupon, or you cannot use a coupon on the free item. However, I had a load to card coupon loaded to my account, and it just came off on the free item. I'm not in any control of that. I didn't hand them a coupon or anything, but it just came off. And same with the Noxzema. So I actually got an additional 75 cents off of each of these, which is nice. But anyways, so that knocked it down to like $2.74. I got $2 back, so 74 cents for 2. And the Noxzemas were $5.49. I had a $1.50 off coupon, 75 cents, and $2 back on 2. So these were like, I don't know, 70-something cents. Really good prices for these. I always get these in the Kroger Mega event and pay 99 cents out of pocket. So you might as well, do it at Rite Aid. And if you have the bonus cash to roll, I didn't pay anything out of pocket for any of this today. But I had a net cost, but I didn't pay anything for anything that I got. So really great. And then here, this is from Ravi on Instagram. I saw this post, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I've got to get out and get this deal. The Shea Moisture Soap. They are, I'm pretty sure it's $4.49. It's either $4.49 or $4.99. It's a moneymaker, I know that. Buy one, get one half price, and buy 2, get $2 in bonus cash. We got $3 off coupons from this week's Retail Me Not. So I think it comes, you pay $1 and you get back 2 in bonus cash. So it's a $1 moneymaker for the 2 hand soaps, which is crazy on that. And I had a limit of 2, but my store only had 2, so I could only do the deal once. Then the Nexus at Walmart, $2.98. I had a $5 coupon, scanned just fine. And my family was getting a lot of other stuff, so it didn't need approval. I think it only needs approval if your total gets below 50% of the original subtotal. So if you have a lot of other stuff in your transaction, it's not going to call for any approval. So yeah, I had like $6 in overage. 2 on my my transaction, and then like 1 on my grandma's transaction. So yeah, awesome day. Everything at Rite Aid wound up being like $2.75 with tax, which I don't think is bad at all for all these products. And then the moneymaker at Walmart pretty much covered everything. So yeah, that's all I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.